What's going on, guys? So today we're bringing you to Canvey Island skate park. Brilliant. So showing you what sort of equipment you need for your hobby inspired lifestyle. So we've got skipping today, we've got the wing and the board for winging, full of endorphins, and Damien is on scooter.
Maybe we should do like a tutorial or something like that.
My heart breaks when you call my phone. Why can't you just leave me alone? I can't escape the way you made me feel. You made me feel.
Cool mental health benefits we all know.
Yeah.
We've been through this year, you know, some may had a really easy ride, some not.
Yeah.
And it's just really good. I mean, I feel so grateful spending time with you and seeing you being happy as well.
Thank you so much.
You know, it's not always about you having fun, but it's about seeing someone else, other people having fun.
Yeah.
So it's like, you know, sometimes giving is more than
giving more than receiving. Yeah.
And it's just rewarding. So yeah, it's just.
That's the purpose of this free generation.
The leader of this action from the above. Oh, look at this little plane showing us what's going on out there.